योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिं रानतोऽस्मिन्। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Cześć, namaste, dzień dobry. My name is Kirti Gehlawat. I am the teacher of Indian culture, yoga, Bollywood dance specialist in Warsaw. I've been teaching in Warsaw from past 3 years. Overall, I have a training of more than 19 years and I've been teaching yoga from past 10 years now. So jestem Kirti Gehlawat, jestem nauczycielką jogi I indyjskiej kultury I tańca. Zapraszam na portal Yogi. So I am learning yoga since the age of 9 years old. I'm from India and I have learned yoga from the great teachers in India based in Haridwar, Rishikesh, and South. So there are many teachers I've been learned through the various techniques I've been trained. I know all the forms of yoga, you name it, like Ashtanga yoga, Hatha yoga, Iyengar yoga, Yin yoga, and so many more forms are out there in these days. So I'm here to present you the traditional authentic style of yoga on Portal Yogi. And I really love teaching yoga. I really love practicing yoga. I never thought that one day I'll become a yoga teacher, but I started learning just because I needed something creative and at the same time which has a spiritual connectivity. So I started yoga when I was small as a sport. So I was mainly learning the asanas. But with the age, I deepened my practice and I learned pranayam. I learned various meditation, dhyana techniques from different teachers. Yoga really helped me in many ways. It allowed me, first of all, to have this international exposure. Because of yoga, I'm traveling. My first trip to Europe was in 2012 to Portugal. That time I was in school and that was one of the yoga championship. It was known as the International Yoga Championship. So there we were demonstrating asanas and different techniques of yoga on music and without music. So it was a really fun activity and that was my first exposure to the Western world, to Europe, especially to Portugal. And then I was after then determined, now I have to become a yoga teacher because I can do wonders to people around me. I can really uplift them and give them the real sense of connectivity with who they are actually. So yoga is not just a physical form of exercise, but it is really a way of living a healthy, holistic life. So I'm practicing it every day, no matter what I'm teaching or I'm not teaching. I always feel there is a room for improvement for each of us, whether you are a practitioner or a teacher. If you are not practicing it every day, that means you are just teaching it mechanically and you're applying it on others. So for me, the formula is, first I learn, I teach myself, I condition my mind and body, and then I see the changes, and then I teach everyone else around me. So that's the principle I follow in my teaching, and I keep the authenticity intact. Like, I don't want to lose the Vedic mantras, the meanings of the postures, the names of the postures, the Sanskrit names. So that's how I'm teaching yoga, and I'm really happy to receive so much love and appreciation, especially in Warsaw, Poland. And I'm really happy to be able to teach here to Polish people in Polish community. Despite of I'm teaching only in English, people really appreciate once they get to know my style, my way of teaching and conducting the lessons. We really connect with each other on the mental and the heart level. Yoga has really helped me on expanding my mental level, and helped me to stay out of depression and maintain my body without being really cautious, and made me really mindful of what I'm eating. So I'm a mom, and I really became fat in spite of I've been practicing yoga. So each of us, we are humans, and we have to go through various journeys in the life. It's not necessary that if you are a yoga teacher, you will not have a heart attack or you will not have a digestive issue. You are human, and so am I. So I went through a phase of feeling really low about myself. I was not confident because I lost my body, the way it was looking, because as I told you, I was very fit, active, and then I lost it because of the pregnancy, and then I lost the motivation to do it. Then I did this self-counseling, and slowly I start from really beginner's level and slowly uplifted my practice. And then I was really determined that that was one phase of my life, and I cannot lose my own identity, which is of a yoga teacher, and I have more to give out than just to give to myself and my family. So that's why I thought of coming to Poland, and I'm really grateful for the opportunities I got in my life. And I really want each of you should learn yoga step by step. Do not jump and directly go for teacher's training course. Give yourself time, allow yourself to understand it deeply, because the teacher training course are really small and it is for specific number of hours. So you can do, there's no problem, but then you have to really be consistent with the practice, and you have to really follow all the principles to see how it really works on the mental level and the physical level. Then only your teacher training course will be beneficial to you. And I really love teaching about Indian culture, as it's really diverse and magnificent on its own. I really love dancing, so I do dance also. I'm teaching dance sometimes if I have free time other than yoga, as yoga is my main thing, my main art. So I really love cooking also. Like, I want to cook whenever I can for myself, for my people, and that's all. That's like, I really want to stay connected to my roots, as well as at the same time I want to expand my mindset and bring the original Indian content of yoga to the international platform. So that was about me. I hope you get to know about me a little bit. Now I invite you all to practice yoga with me. You can subscribe to the Portal Yogis platform and practice Common Yoga Protocol with me on this special occasion of International Day of Yoga. I have my own Facebook page, as well as social media handles on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube by the name Kirti Yoga Fit. You can contact me and ask me anything if you want to know more about yoga and the traditional practices, of course, and Indian culture. So feel free to contact me, and Follow me on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and YouTube, as well as Portal Yogis to learn authentic yoga. And you can always ask me anytime, any sort of question. I'll be happy to help you all. Thank you. Namaste.